Good afternoon everyone, welcome to our channel here, JJ and Timbers. I'd like to teach you a bit more about recovering of timber. It's a bit cold here, we had a bit of a breakdown though, but I would like to just represent JJ and Timbers and bring you guys to a bit of a new thought about timber and so on. So what we do here, it might look like a bit of a pile of junk of timber. I know would you mind coming a bit closer, or can you zoom in? So on our previous video, I've spoken about recovering for poles, for structural poles, some animal camps, and those type of things. I would say the bigger logs around you, we've got one over there, which is about 350 to 400 diameter. Yes, it does have some cracks. Some people have asked me about scrap timber. There's no scrap wood. It's just, we've got to discover what it's meant for. So on something like that, we can still recover in our communities for 11438s and a few other structural timbers. Which might not be A grade but might be needed in our communities for doing a few things, than rather to leaving it to rot and so on. I would say, if I look at Anel, would you mind just zooming in on the road in this commercial plantation? I mean, we've got an access right here for the commercial machines and so on. These were probably ones which was not to size, or they were not able to fit on a truck, or they were, like I say, they were harvested for access to the commercial plantations. And please guys, when I say this, I don't need to go into the commercial plantations and disrespect the owners of these big farms and so on, but I mean more recovery. Please, let's work on recovery of timber. I'm sure that commercial plantation owners and farmers would agree to let's recover and leave a good footprint to that, and rather recover and reuse something like that just behind my jacket over there. This could still be molded into some proper timber. Plank 7619s. We could get a few 38s out of there, brandings and so on. So yeah, it's an amazing opportunity, seeing that we've got a breakdown here, to just share some knowledge with you guys. Thank you very much for watching our channel.